So, how to delegate work in your business. I'm Raymond Taylor, and I'm going to show you how to create a freedom-based online coaching business from scratch. First of all, you have to know what tasks need to be delegated. Most coaches are acting reactively and they do things as they come on their plate. So they're like, oh, I haven't posted a bit of content in a while. I'll quickly create a graphic. I haven't, booked any discovery calls in a while. So I'll start sending out some messages. Oh, that thing on my website's out of date. So I'll quickly do that. Oh, I forgot to send, the customer the invoice for this month. So I'll do that now quickly. And they do those things and they get to the end of the week and they think, what have I actually done this week? And they can't think of anything and their business hasn't grown and they've just been doing a load of admin tasks. So the first thing you can do is write out a list of everything that you do on a day-to-day basis so that you are crystal clear on what your days look like and what tasks that you actually do. And then you can actually see if you're being productive or not. Then segment that into tasks that you can delegate to somebody else, whether that's your own virtual assistant that you can get for the Philippines, or whether that's someone you find from a freelancer site like Fiverr or People Per Hour or Upwork, and they're admin tasks that you can set and forget. Then delegate tasks that require a little bit of overseeing, that are a little bit more complicated, that might require to provide a bit of training for initially, and also for you to approve them because they're important. Because it's much better to train somebody to do something once and do it well and never have to do it again than it is to keep on doing the same task over and over and over again. And then finally, you'll be left with a list of things, two lists of things, one list of things that you can do and one list of things that maybe you can't do. And the list of things that you can do that are high level, income generating, productive things you put on your task list. And the things that you can't do, you have to either hire or find experts or consultants or people on these freelancer websites to be able to do it for you as well. Because you don't just need to delegate admin, you can delegate high-level tasks as well, like website design or funnel building or graphic design. So you'll have 4 segments of things. The set and forget admin tasks that you delegate out immediately and forget about. The tasks that you train team members or freelancers to do to a high standard with your approval until you're happy with their work. The tasks that you decided are the most productive and income generating for you as a leader. And the tasks that you need to find somebody else to do on your behalf. And if you do that with everything that you do in the business, you will be more productive, you'll get a lot more done, and ultimately you'll make more money. I'm Raymond Taylor, and I'm going to show you how to create a freedom-based online coaching business from scratch.